Today we'll start with the purchase organization. Okay.
Okay.
What purchase organization and how it works, that I'll explain you later on. But first you see how it can be created.
Okay.
Okay. Go to enterprise structure. SPRO. IMG. Okay. Now the enterprise structure. I'm not able to see your screen.
Hi, ma'am.
1 second. No, I just moved to some other screen and I'm not able to return to your screen now.
Alt tab.
No, even that is not working. Yes. Okay.
Able to see now?
Yes, yes. Go back.
I'm in a new entity.
Okay. So you can press enter new entries.
Yeah.
Yeah, create one purchase organization.
Naming like it is different, no? Different from that four things.
Yes, yes.
Company, plan, storage.
Yes.
So, yes. It also have same number, 4 numbers.
Yes, 4 character, it's alphanumeric.
4 character only, na?
Yes.
Yeah. AP11.
Okay. So AP11 is your purchase organization. Okay.
Yeah. AP01.
AP01.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Give one description.
Yes, ma'am?
Give a description. Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Save. Click OK.
Yes, ma'am.
Click on continue.
Okay. It came to again same
Yeah.
point.
Go move back. Click on back.
Back. Click on back. Okay.
Yes. Now position your purchase organization. Position.
Yes,
AP01.
ma'am. AS01.
Did you give AS01 or AP01?
Sorry, AP01. Yes, ma'am. AP01.
Okay, so you have AP01 as your purchase organization. Just
Yeah.
move your mouse on the button which is beside new entries.
Location.
Move your
Here.
mouse beside The button which is near new entries, right side. No,
This
no,
one.
copy
Okay.
as,
Change, ma'am.
copy
Right side.
as. So what you
Okay.
can do
Okay.
is, you can
Copy
select,
as.
you
Hmm.
select AP01,
Hmm.
okay, and you can copy as. Click copy as, click
I
on
have clicked
copy as.
copy. Yeah, I have clicked copy as.
First select AP01.
I have clicked. Okay.
Your voice is,
Left F01.
see, you need to click behind AP01. There is a
Yeah.
blank cell,
I have
right?
selected AP01 and copy as I have done.
Yeah, click, no, no, no.
Blank AP01. Yeah, blank cell. Yeah, yes. Yes, ma'am. Okay, I
Yeah,
got it. I got it. Yeah. Yes, ma'am. To
yeah,
select, how to select, I
copy,
got it.
yeah, copy as.
Yeah.
Okay, so if you want to create one more purchase organization of the same type or similar one, you
Hmm.
can use copy as also. And here you can
Okay.
directly change the name. So like this, you can create more
Hmm.
than one purchase organization for the same company code.
Now I want to second. I want to add right now here only.
Sorry? Yeah, you can create, you can make
I
it as
want to
AP02 as one more purchase organization.
yeah 02 same description. Now I have to save. No.
You can say education 2.
Education two. Okay.
Okay, save
And
it.
I press enter.
Yes, and save.
Enter saved.
Yes. Okay, so now you have
Okay.
created the purchase organization, right?
Okay.
So next
Now we
is
have option to go back. What is any option to go front also?
what go friend?
Like on back option is there, na? Here
No, no,
on
no, no.
screen
You
back
don't
it will.
have that option. You don't have that option.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, because back is only applicable when you are already in one screen and you want to go to the previous main screen. In that case, you use back.
Okay.
Okay. So next,
Okay.
now you have created a purchase organization. Now we need to
Yeah.
assign that purchase organization to our plant.
Hmm. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now you need to go to assignment.
Where to go, ma'am?
Assignment. Now you are under definition material management,
Definition.
right?
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
now go to
Assignment.
assignment material management.
In the enterprise structure, assignment. Okay.
Hmm.
In assignment, financial accounting.
Mhm.
Financial accounting.
Material
Hmm.
management.
Material management. Okay.
Yeah, so here you have
In
assign
that,
purchasing organization to company code, assign purchasing organization to plant, and assign standard purchasing organization to plant, assign purchase organization to reference purchase organization, right?
yeah.
So you have four options. What each
Yes, ma'am.
option means that I'll explain you later on. Now you assign the purchasing organization to plant. Click on assign purchasing organization to plant.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, now position, click on position. AP01.
And plant for?
No, no, no. Just say okay.
No, no. There it is asking a purchasing organization, and
Yeah,
plant name is
you
also.
just press enter.
Okay.
Press enter.
Hello, ma'am. Plant name is not required.
Yeah, we'll check. Click OK because you have not
Okay.
assigned it, right? So you won't have the plant name there.
Okay.
Where is your
Here the status. First one is here. APL1.
No,
AP01.
it is AP01, right?
Yeah. AP01.
So it is not there. So now you click
Not
on
there.
new entries,
New entry.
then type your purchase organization,
Okay.
that is AP01, and then under
Hmm.
plant field type PS11,
CP11.
PS11. You need to specify plant, CP11. PS is store location, right? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, CP11.
CP11.
Huh.
So store location ಕೂಡ given PS11 na?
Store
Okay.
location is,
CP11.
you need to specify the plant and then
Okay.
press enter.
Okay.
Okay, now save it.
Yes, ma'am.
So same way, you have created one more purchase organization, right? So what you do
Yeah.
is, after the class, you proceed further with ASC2. Okay, under
Okay.
ASC2, create one more plant
Hmm.
and store
Hmm.
location. At the same
Okay.
time, I want you to create a one more plant under ASC1.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you
Okay.
repeat what I have told you?
Yeah, yeah, I got it.
Yeah, please repeat so
I
that
got to create the another plan. So create another purchasing order. Click reference for the plant, that plant, particular plant
no,
with
see,
the company code.
listen properly. You
Yeah,
have ASH as a company, right?
yeah,
You can
yeah.
make a note in one paper. ASH is
Yes, I am
one
doing.
company, and under that
Yeah,
you have ASC1, right? And under
yeah, ma'am.
ASC1, we have already created CP11 as one plant,
Yes,
right? Now I want you
yes,
to
ma'am.
create one more plant under ASC1,
Okay,
okay? And maintain one, sorry, maintain one store location under that plant,
okay.
okay? So this is one part. Other part is under ASH, you have
Hmm.
created one more company called ASC2,
C2.
right?
Hello.
So, yeah,
AC2.
yeah, ASC2 is there. So under
Hmm.
ASC2, create one plant and one store location.
Okay.
Okay. So by
Okay.
then you will be like very much familiar with creation of the enterprise structure.
Okay. Ma'am, there is no relation between the storage location and purchasing organization.
No.
Okay.
See, purchasing organization is linked to the plant, right?
Hmm.
And your store
Okay.
location is also linked to the plant.
Okay.
So indirectly they are linked
And
together.
okay, if I link to plan, then there is no requirement of linking to company code.
No. When is
Okay.
the
There is
need
no.
for assignment to company code, that I'll be explaining after this thing.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
So now you have saved it.
Can I do, ma'am, now? To, yeah. This one
What?
I have saved it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Can I do now?
What you want to do?
CP12 and purchasing organization. Two.
No, now you have understood how to create a purchase organization and assign it, right?
Yeah.
So creating another plant store location, that you do later on after the class.
Class.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes. So now go back.
Okay. That time the purchasing organization and entity was not there, na 5 after creating purchasing organization also it is not showing.
Because we had to assign it. So I just wanted to show you that without doing the assignment, it won't reflect by itself once you create it.
Okay.
Okay. Only when you
Okay.
say new entry and do the entry, only then it is like you are assigning your purchase organization to the plant.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now, if you want to check, you can click on position, type the purchase organization and plant and check for that.
Yeah, AP01 is there.
It is there, right?
Yeah, it is there.
Yeah. So next thing is, what we'll do is, we'll create a purchasing group.
Okay.
Okay. Go to enterprise structure, material management, purchasing, and not an
Definition.
not under enterprise structure. Collapse that enterprise structure.
Okay.
Yeah, collapse the enterprise structure itself. Collapse that.
Okay.
Huh.
Okay.
Now you have material management down.
Oh, directly we have to go to material management.
Yes. Yeah. Click on that. Purchasing.
Under this, correct, na?
Yeah, yeah. You have create purchasing group. So yeah, same one. Why did you
But
come
it
out?
is come under.
No, no, no. It is
But
not
it is
under
under vendor,
vendor.
na?
It is not under vendor.
Okay.
So under vendor, that
Okay,
is
ma'am.
different. Click on create
Okay.
purchasing group.
Purchasing group. Okay.
Yeah. Then new entries. Give one name for the purchasing group.
Only 3 digit, eh?
Yes. Maybe
Okay.
okay, and give the description.
Okay.
And
Save.
see, if you see here, you find that there are other information also to be maintained. That is telephone number, fax number. If you
Hmm.
just scroll towards right,
Hmm.
okay, so you have all the information about the email address, contact information, right? So
Yeah.
I'll explain you what purchasing group is also. Okay,
Hmm.
now purchasing group, it is like who will be responsible for purchasing particular material or group of material. Okay, so now
Okay.
save it. So you have created your what was your purchasing group? A
AG1.
A AG1.
G1.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So now you are through with your creation of the enterprise structure, that is right from the company, company code,
Hmm.
plant, store location, purchase organization, and purchase group, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So do you have
Yeah.
any doubts apart from explanation about the purchase organization and purchase group?
Ma'am, I didn't got that explanation. What is purchase
Yeah, that's
organization?
what I'm telling. Apart from those two
Okay.
explanation, do you have
Yeah.
any doubts with the other parts?
But there is no requirement of assignment of purchasing group to any
No,
company
no,
code
no.
or plant or.
No, we don't need the assignment of purchase group.
Okay. Only
Okay?
for organization has to be assigned to plant,
Yes.
not for the storage location. I want to create one storage location, ma'am.
Uh, you want to
Now,
create now itself?
yeah, on storage location. 1 minute only, within 1 minute I'll do it.
Okay. Under which plant you want to create? Because under
Uh,
CP11 we already have two store locations.
okay. CP11 is now. Oh, under that only we'll do it, ma'am. Another one. We can do
Okay.
it, no? Like that, right?
Yeah, you can do, but I thought like instead of doing under CP11 itself, after the class you can create one plant and do under that plant.
After that, okay, ma'am.
Okay, create a store location under CP11 itself.
Yeah.
Where do you find store location?
Yes.
Okay.
Enterprise structure definition. Under definition, material management and maintain store location.
Yes.
Correct, na? Yeah.
Yes.
Yesterday I have given the name C PS11 plant I have given. Here I have to give.
You need to provide plant CP11.
Yeah. CP11.
So it is like you are mentioning under which plant you want to
Which
create a
plant?
store location. That is why when you are
Okay.
creating a store location, we are not, assigning it again.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Directly it has been assigned. So there is
Yes.
a storage location. No need to assign to anyone.
No. See, directly you are creating under that particular plant itself, right? So
Yeah,
there
yeah.
is no any explicit assignment required for that.
Yeah. Ma'am, you told you have to delete all three, na?
No, no, see, that is only for the first time.
First
Oh,
time. If I want to delete here and where to delete, ma'am? This one and delete option.
yes.
Okay. I want to delete. Huh? Okay. This one is deleted. Now if I want to write, then
New entries. Click on new entries.
new entries. Yes, ma'am.
So after this, you can enter the new store location there
Description. PS13.
and description.
Okay. Yeah. And save.
Yes.
It's done, na, ma'am.
See,
Something.
PS13, it was already there and you had marked it for deletion, right?
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
though, if you have marked it for deletion, then you can't use the same name. You'll have to use a different name. So maybe
Okay.
PS14.
Yeah.
Yes. Save. Press enter.
I saved it. Now it is data is already saved.
Yes. Go back.
Okay.
So you have three store locations under your company CP11.
Companies. Yeah. Yeah. Now I will see 1 minute, ma'am. I want to see full organized structure one time. Ma'am, EC01 it's not showing here.
You need to go to the main screen. Okay, so if you from this screen, if you want to
Again,
go
main screen.
from this screen, if you want to go to that first initial screen, either you
Oh,
can 1 second, don't press anything.
okay.
Okay, so if you want to go to that home screen, in that transaction box is there, no, where you enter the
Yeah.
transaction, type
Hmm.
/n.
/n.
Yes, and press enter.
Okay. /n is a keyboard to go main screen. Huh?
Go to the main screen.
Main screen. Main screen. Okay.
Okay,
By through any here any icon we can't go, ma'am.
no.
Okay. This error is due to internet or
No. That is some, they keep doing some changes, no? All the users.
okay. Here, yeah.
Yeah, it is
Here I have
because of
to
that.
search.
The company code.
Yeah, company code. ASC1.
Yes.
This second it will find here. None. Find here, no ma'am.
Yes. Double click.
Yeah, double click. No. Yeah.
There, double click.
Yes, ma'am. Here it is.
Yes. And
Hello.
click on this ASH.
Yes.
Yeah, expand it. So here under ASH you have ASC1 and ASC2 as the two companies. Okay.
Companies. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Under double click ASC1. But where are your store locations? Okay.
Store location.
Plant is CP11. Okay. Click
CP1. Yeah.
on CP1.
Why this has came, ma'am? Credit control area.
That you need not
Hello.
worry. That is related to FI. Okay, so under CP11, you have three store locations. One is PS11, PS12, and PS14.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. But here, hello.
Yeah, tell me.
What does it mean of location here? This part.
Click on that location. Place
Hello.
your mouse, click on that location.
Location. Yeah.
Press F1.
In particular location. Press F1.
Yes. No. Close
What is
this.
the reason of
It is not the one. See, any field, if you want any explanation, like whatever is concerned to the topic, I'll be covering. If you want any additional explanation, You can select that particular field, press F1. You'll get the explanation of that respective field. Okay, so
Okay, ma'am.
personally, even I haven't used those locations.
Okay.
Okay, maybe it is not concerned to MM.
Okay.
Okay, go back. So now you can take the screen sharing.
Okay.
I'll
Click on
share
the.
my screen.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So here, if you look at this organization structure, we have
Hmm.
company code, and under company
Hmm.
code 1000, we have plant 1000, 1100, and 1200. Okay.
Yeah.
And under each plant, we have store locations. And apart
Yeah.
from the organization structure, we have two more entities, that is purchase organization 1000 and purchase organization 1200.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
here, when we talk about the purchase organization,
Hmm.
it it is something like, it is a group of members or a team. Okay, purchasing group is nothing but a group of members or a team which is
Hmm.
responsible for uh, or which is involved in the purchasing activities. Okay, when we say
Yes, ma'am.
that this particular group is involved in purchasing activities, then it
Hmm.
means that this group is responsible for negotiating the price.
Hmm.
Okay, requesting for
Okay.
quotations.
Hmm.
Okay, and then maybe creating a contract with the vendors.
Contact with the providers. Okay.
Yeah, so purchasing organization will be responsible for negotiating the price, or like requesting for the quotation, or request creating the contracts.
Okay.
Okay, so now what we have done is, we have assigned the purchasing organization to our plant, right?
Hmm. Yeah.
So here, in case of assignment of the purchasing organization, we have
Hmm.
three types. Okay,
Hmm.
one is plant specific purchase organization, next is cross plant purchase organization, and the third is cross company code purchase organization.
Hmm.
Okay, when you see
Okay.
here, that is, when you see that purchase organization 1200 is assigned to plant
Hmm.
1200, right? So this is an
Yeah.
example of plant specific purchase organization.
Okay.
What do you understand by this?
The purchasing organization is given to the plant, particular plant, ma'am.
Yes. So it is for one plant, one purchase organization. That purchase, or
Okay.
the same purchase organization cannot be assigned to any other plant or company code. So only in such case it will be like
Hmm.
purchase this is the plant specific purchase organization. Okay,
Plant specific. Okay.
yeah. So when I
Okay.
say purchase organization 1200 is assigned to plant
Plant.
1200, so
Hmm.
it is like purchase organization 1200 is the plant specific purchase organization.
Okay.
Okay, Next is
Hmm.
cross plant purchase organization.
Hmm.
Okay. Now, if you see here, purchase organization 1000 is
Hmm.
assigned to plant 1000 as well as plant 1100,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, one purchase organization acting for more than one plant, but it should be under same company code.
Hmm. Okay. You should not rather of a company code.
Yes, it should be under the same company code, but the same purchase organization is used for more than one plant. Then
Okay.
it is like cross plant purchase organization.
Okay.
Okay. And
Okay.
the third one is cross company code purchase organization.
Cross company code. Okay.
Okay, under cost company code purchase organization, in this case, the purchase organization won't be assigned to any plant nor the company code.
Okay.
Okay, so you'll be using it as an independent purchase organization. But when you are creating the purchasing document, at that time you provide the purchase organization. So based on the organization data what you have given in the purchasing document, for example, I want to create one purchase order, and in the purchase order I provide the company name and the plant name.
Hmm.
Okay, and along with
Okay.
that I give one purchase organization which is independent, which is not assigned to any company code or plant.
Hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
so in that case what I do is I will provide the purchase organization while creating the purchasing document. So in that case, to whichever plant you are taking, for that
Hmm.
particular plant, the purchase organization is used. Are you getting me?
Some confusion.
See,
This may give you correct answer. Yeah.
now I have company
Hmm.
code 1000 and I have
Hmm.
a plant 1000 under company code 1000.
Okay.
Okay. And
Hmm.
I also have company code 2000 and plant 2000.
Okay.
Okay. And I have one more company code 3000 along with that plant 3000.
Okay.
Okay. Now I have not assigned the purchase organization C100 to any of the plants.
Yes.
Right. So
Yeah.
now what I do is when I'm
Hmm.
creating a purchase order for the company and plant combination of 1000, and
Hmm.
along with that if I give C100, then
Hmm.
purchase organization C100 will be responsible for procuring the material in this combination plant combination.
Okay.
Okay. Consider the next purchasing document will be of the for the plant 2000 which is assigned to company code 2000. Even at that time also I can use the
Okay.
same purchase organization.
This organization is
Mhm.
related to company directly to company.
See, that's what in the earlier ones which we saw no, like
Hmm.
when it is a plant specific, then one individual purchase organization is assigned to one respective plant. That's it. It can't be
Yeah.
assigned to more than one plant.
One
Okay,
plant. Yeah.
that means it is a plant specific. And the
Plant
next,
specific.
yes, and the next
Cross
what
plant.
we saw is cross plant, where the
Hmm.
purchase
One.
organization will be assigned to the company code.
Hmm.
Okay, and that
Yeah.
purchase organization can be used for all the plants which are under that company code.
Yeah.
Okay, so Here in one case, we assign the purchase organization to the plant, and in the other
Uh,
case, we assign the purchase organization to the company code, which will
uh,
give or which will lead to plant specific and cross plant purchase organization concept. So these two are clear, right?
yeah, this two are clear.
Yeah. So the next one is a cross company code purchase organization. I'll tell you a
Hmm.
situation wherein, for
Hmm.
example, there is one manufacturing company which is spread
Okay.
all over or which is having the more than 2 or 3 company codes. Okay. And in all the company code plants, you
Hmm.
use iron rod as a raw material.
Okay.
Okay, so in each plant you may be using around 5 tons of raw iron rods. So like this you have 10 plants under different company codes.
Okay.
Okay, so now
Hmm.
what will happen is if you say 10 tons of iron rod for each plant, so how much will it be for 10 plants?
10 tons of for 10 plants is 100. 100.
It will come to 100 tons, right?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
consider a situation if I want to procure for only plant 1000,
Hmm.
then I can directly use it through plant specific purchase organization and I can buy. Okay, in that case, my requirement is only 10 tons because I'm
10
doing
tons.
for particular plant.
Plant.
Okay. So maybe I may get, since I'm buying 10 tons, I may get
Hmm.
it for the price of maybe 3 to 4,000
Yeah.
rupees. Okay.
Hmm.
Now, if I do it cross plant purchasing organization, that is,
More
I
than
will
one
do I will do it for all the plants under that company code. So consider
company
you
code.
yes, consider you
Hmm.
have 2 plants under the same company code. Okay.
Okay.
So now if
Hmm.
I'm doing it as a cross plant purchase organization, then how much will be our requirement?
20.
20 tons, right?
Yeah.
So what I tell the vendor is, look boss, I need 20 tons. Okay.
Okay.
If I
Yeah.
am going to buy 10 tons, then you are giving it for 3,000. Now I am increasing the quantity, right? So you
Hmm.
need to give
Yeah.
me extra discount. So in that case, what he will do? He may offer you for 2,800.
Okay.
Okay. So
Yeah.
as the quantity increases, the
Hmm.
possibility of negotiating is more, isn't it?
More. Yeah. Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
So now what happens is if I make it as a cross company code purchase organization. Now what we had counted earlier, we have 10 plants, right?
Hmm.
So
Yes, ma'am.
under different company codes. So when I say 10 plants, my
Hmm.
total requirement is 100 tons,
100
right?
tons.
So
Yeah.
now I have more power of negotiating, isn't it? Because I need 100 tons.
Yeah.
There is a huge difference between 10 tons and 100 tons. So now I can
Yes.
demand the vendor. See, I'm not
Yeah.
ordering you 1 or 2 tons. I'm ordering 100 tons. I need more
Yeah.
discount on that. Okay. So
Yes.
in
Yeah.
that way, what we can do
Hmm.
is we can bring it down to 2,400 or 2,500, and you never know, even if he might come down to 2,000 also.
Okay.
Okay. So
Yeah.
when you want to create a global contract, that is throughout and or throughout your company, you want to use that contract. In such
Hmm.
cases, you will be
Hmm.
going for cross company code purchase organization.
Okay.
Okay. Did you
Hmm.
understand the concept?
Yeah. Yeah. But assigning to company only, no directly.
See, here you are not doing any manual assignment.
Okay.
Okay. when you are
Hmm.
creating the purchase order, for example,
Hmm.
so at the
Okay.
time of creating the purchase order, we
Hmm.
provide the company code, plant,
Hmm. Hmm.
purchasing group, and
Hmm.
purchasing organization data.
Okay.
Okay. So if at
Okay.
all you have given that plant
Hmm.
specific purchase organization data, then it will be
Hmm.
that plant specific purchasing.
Hmm. Hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
And if you
Okay.
specify the purchase organization which is
Hmm.
assigned to the company code, then it will be like cross plant purchasing. Okay.
Cross
Now,
plant purchasing. Hmm.
yes. Now you have C100, which is not assigned to any of the entity.
Yeah.
Okay. But while
Hmm.
creating a purchase order, you specify C100.
Okay.
Then
Hmm.
it
Hmm.
means that it is a
Under
global or
company
the
code. Global.
cross company code purchasing.
Okay.
Okay, so this is how the purchasing organization works.
Okay.
And there is one more entity which is called as the purchasing group.
Hmm.
Okay, so purchasing group, it can be a set of people or it can be an individual,
Hmm.
and he is responsible, or he is more of expertise in procuring particular material or a group of materials.
Kiran. Okay.
Okay, so here for example, I need one material.
Hmm.
Okay, I said 10 tons of iron rods.
Hmm.
Here, the purchasing organization will be responsible for negotiating everything. But
Okay.
to communicate with the vendor, the person who is in the purchasing group will be responsible for communicating with the
Vendors.
vendor. Okay. So you saw, right, while creating a purchase group, it asks for your telephone number, fax number, email ID, everything.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
I told you to observe that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So here the person who is in the purchasing group acts as a point of contact for the vendors.
Okay. Like daily activities.
Yeah, for example, if he wants to check about some payment of his invoice, or if he wants to tell that he'll delay his delivery by 2 or 3 days, or he might say
Hmm.
that I'll deliver before your request date itself. So anything,
Okay.
any queries he has, he cannot call up any user and ask. He has to
Hmm.
contact the person who is present in the purchasing group, which is
Huh.
assigned in the
Huh.
purchasing document.
Okay. Purchasing group person will take care of all things.
He is the point of contact for the vendor.
Okay.
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 So now your assignment will be, try
Hmm.
to, I want you to write the definition of what purchasing organization is. If you Google also, you will get the definition. Okay. At the same
Okay.
time, try to find what the definition of purchasing group is.
Okay.
Okay. And the different
Uh,
types, what I told you, that is plant specific, cross plant
plant
purchase
cross plant
organization.
specification and cross company code
Yes.
purchase organization.
Yes. So
Okay.
you'll have to find the definition of all these five.
Okay.
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 Mm. So shall I start with the next topic, or you want
Next
to
topic.
complete that enterprise structure? From now onwards, enterprise structure part
Hmm.
is completed. Now we'll be
Hmm.
going ahead with the master data.
master data.
Yeah. So would you like to first complete the enterprise structure part and then move ahead, or shall I start with the master data?
Or what is that to complete, ma'am?
I had given you the assignment, right?
Assignment of finding the definition of
Not
purchasing
that.
organization.
Creating the structure, remaining structure of your ASH company.
Yeah, that I will do it. If I
Okay.
don't do, then I will do it. Not do this. I do.
Okay.
Ma'am, this software is there, na?
Which software?
SAP means SAP software.
Okay.
Who has created, no? Which company?
Some Germans, there some 3 or 4 people together. They have started this.
Brilliant people. And another question is the different modules are there na, in SAP.
Yes.
SAP, SD, CRM, something. We can do like this. We do in MM, na? Like that we can do in this software only.
Yes. The same. Except the EWM, no, it is server differs, so you can't do it in this itself.
Mm-hmm.
Otherwise, all that will be present in this itself,
Why that EWM is differ, ma'am?
because they have introduced it newly, and warehouse is like a huge warehouse, right? It needs lot of database for that. So
Okay.
just to avoid the increase of volume in the database, it is kept
Mm-hmm.
separately.
Okay. For when is it introduced, ma'am? Like new means how many years from?
Even that might be from almost 5 to 6 years. I'm not
6 years.
sure about that, but it might be more than 5 to 6 years.
Okay. In that PPT I saw MM and EWM consultant, right?
Yes, yes.
You will teach EWM also?
I don't teach. My husband teaches.
Okay.
Okay. Mm,
Ma'am, please share this PPT, na?
yeah, I'll share that.
Okay. And today, please send me this PPT and document and yesterday recording.
Yeah, yeah, sure. Recording will be sent, but PPT, everything, I may email you tomorrow evening.
Okay.
Okay. Uh, so today we will deal with the master data. Okay.
Okay.
So when we call master data, under master
Hmm.
data we have four. One is the material master.
Hmm.
Okay. And then we have vendor master.
Hmm.
Then we have purchasing info record. We have source list, and we have quota arrangement.
Okay.
Okay. So when we talk about the master data, we have
Hmm.
5 topics which deal with the master data. One is the material master, one is the
Hmm.
vendor master, purchasing info record, source list, and quota arrangement. I'll just give a brief idea about each one.
Hmm.
Material master, by the name itself, it defines that it is the master data which stores all the information related to material.
Hmm.
Okay. Similarly,
Okay.
when it comes to vendor master stores all the data which is relevant to the vendor into that particular master data or a table. Okay.
Okay.
And when it comes to purchasing
Hmm.
info record is a document wherein you maintain the combination of vendor and material. For example, by the name itself, it is telling you that it is an information record. So it
Hmm.
is the information for the system that this
Hmm.
material can be procured from so and so vendor.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. And when it comes to
Hmm.
source lists is again a place where you maintain the combination of vendor and material.
Hmm.
Okay. But here you have the option of blocking the vendor or fixing the vendor. For example, if I want to
Hmm.
procure some material from one
Hmm.
vendor, I can
Hmm.
fix that vendor so that you don't buy that material with any other vendor except the one with whom you have fixed it.
Okay.
Okay. Or you also have the option of, for
Hmm.
example, I don't want this particular material to be procured from this particular vendor.
Okay.
Okay. So
Hmm.
I can block that vendor for that material under that particular plant.
Okay.
So source list basically provides you the option of fixing or blocking the vendor for procurement of that particular material.
Why not in the purchasing info record, ma'am? They
If
have
that
the option of. Hmm.
we don't have the option of fixing and blocking in info record.
But we
Okay.
can you. Okay, but there will get only information. What are the material and which are the vendors are there?
It will give you the information. For example, material ABC is there.
Hmm.
Material A is one, material B is one more material, and material C. So like this, you have three materials. Okay.
Hmm.
And
Hmm.
there are XYZ as the vendors.
Hmm.
Okay. I can
Hmm.
say in the purchasing info record that A
Hmm.
material can be procured from vendor X. Okay.
Okay.
B can be procured from Y. C
Hmm.
can be procured from Z. So that
Okay.
information I can provide in the purchasing info record.
Hmm.
Okay. Now in the source list, I have the option that I
Hmm.
can fix the vendor or block the vendor, which is not present in the info record. Suppose I want to fix the vendor for that particular plant. That is,
Hmm.
if it is under this plant, then
Hmm.
you have to buy it from this vendor itself. So
Hmm.
if you are in such a scenario, then you can use the source list.
Hmm.
Okay. So it is not mandatory that you use all the scenarios. I mean, in all the scenarios, you use all the documents. It is not like that. Based on the scenario, you will be selecting the respective document. Here in the
Okay.
class, we will be giving you the knowledge of all the documents. That's it.
Hmm.
Okay, as a consultant or as an implementation person, you will be responsible on deciding which
Which data?
to use in what situation. That you will have to decide.
Okay.
Okay. And then the quota arrangement, it is also one way of fixing the vendor. For example, now I have said that I have A, B, and C materials, right? And I have
Hmm.
X, Y, and Z as the vendors. Now
Hmm.
consider material A is available with vendor X, Y, and Z. So all
Hmm.
the three vendors have the availability or possess the what to say, they supply that
Usability.
material. Okay.
Yeah, they can supply that material. Okay.
Yes. So
Hmm.
now I have good relationship with vendor X, Y, and Z. With all the three, we have the good relationship. So
Okay.
just by procuring with one person, I don't want to spoil my relation with the other vendors. So in
Okay.
that case, what I will say is, out
Hmm.
of, if suppose I need 100 tons of material A in a
Hmm.
year, or uh, so in that what I'll do is I'll split
Hmm.
that, like
Hmm.
30% I'll buy from one vendor,
Hmm.
33% I'll buy from other vendor, and remaining 37% I'll buy from
Hmm.
different vendor.
Okay.
Okay, how much it came to?
30, 30, 30, 90.
30, 33, 37.
Okay. 400.
Okay, so it came to
Hmm.
100, right?
Hmm. Hmm.
So like that I can distribute the quantity among the vendors.
Hmm. Hmm.
So that type of facility is there under quota arrangement.
Okay.
Okay, so these are all the all these all comes under master data.
Master data. Who will have my master data?
That will be usually the ABAP people will be dealing with the master data, like what information is stored under which table and under which field. That we will gradually see later on.
Okay.
Okay,
Hmm.
so do you have any doubts?
Mm, no, ma'am.
Okay, next we'll move on with the material master. Okay,
Hmm.
so under material master,
Hmm.
here here onwards your T codes will be starting. Okay,
Equals.
yeah, we have XK01 to create, XK02 to change or modify,
Hmm.
XK, oh, sorry, this is of vendor, uh, it is MM01,
MM01, MM02.
yeah, MM02, MM03 to display.
Create, change, and display.
Yes. So we'll be using the transaction code MM01, MM02 and MM03 to create the material master. Okay. So
Hmm.
before
Hmm.
we create the material master, here you have
Hmm.
some fields which you need to understand. One is the
Hmm.
material type
Hmm.
and the other one is industry sector.
Okay.
Okay. So material type is something which will give you the information what type of material you are going to procure,
Hmm.
or what type of material is that specific material. For example, there are different type of materials, like I have raw materials, I have semi-finished materials, I have finished materials. Okay,
Hmm.
then I have like pipeline materials. Okay,
Hmm.
I have packaging materials, I have non-stock materials, I have non-validated materials. So like this, we need to differentiate. We have the differentiation of the material types. Okay.
Okay.
During our training, we'll be most of the time using the material type ROH, which is
Hmm.
raw material.
Around. Okay.
Okay. So similarly,
Hmm.
you have HALB is for semi-finished. Okay, and then FERT is for finished products.
Okay.
UNBW is for non-valuated. NLAG is for non-stock material. So like this, we have different type of materials. So based on the type of material, you'll have to select the material type. Okay, if it is now, we'll be most of the time dealing with the manufacturing part. So we will be using raw material as the material type in order to do all the assignments. Okay.
Okay.
And then here you have the industry sector. For example, I have
Where
mechanical.
you will type T code you will write ROH. No, no.
No, I'll show you where you will be specifying that.
Okay.
Okay, this is your for knowledge purpose that ROH stands for raw materials, HALB stands for semi-finished, FERT is for finished products, UNBW is for non-valuated, NLAG is for non-stock material. Okay. So similarly, under industry sector, we have different sectors. Okay, mechanical engineering or electrical engineering, like that you have different sectors. Okay, 1 second. I will log into the system.
Tomorrow you can't take class, no?
Tomorrow I will take, but not Saturday.
Tomorrow is Saturday.
Tomorrow is Friday.
Friday.
Yes. I'll share you the screen. Okay. So I'll just show you how to create a material. Use MM01. Okay. So this is the initial screen for creation of material. And here we select the industry sector. So here you have different sectors you see here, right? Like aerospace, service provider, mechanical engineering, chemical industry. So there are different type of industry sectors.
Yeah.
So we'll be using mechanical engineering.
Yes.
Okay. And then under material type, see there are many raw materials here. Okay. Use SROH. Where is that?
Down.
So use this SROH because they have done so much of modification there. There are users who will be doing experimenting, right? So there are a lot of them, they have done some changes to the standard ones. Out of this, as of now, this seem to be okay, this material type. So use mechanical engineering and material type as SROH raw material. Okay. And then you need to press enter. Okay. Next, you say basic data. These are the basic screens which will be selecting. Basic data, purchasing, and accounting. Okay. So there are different data which can be maintained, but as of now, we will be maintaining only these three data, that is the basic data, purchasing data, and accounting data. Okay. And here you need to specify the plant. So what was your plant?
CP11.
CP11, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So now here you can see that the material number is taken by itself automatically. Okay. Why it has taken, I'll tell you tomorrow. Here you give the description.
Okay.
Training material 1.
Hmm.
Okay. And under this, you provide the base unit of measure. See,
KGML.
initially, until you get familiarized, you can click the drop down and you can go through what all unit of measures are there. Okay.
Hmm.
I will use kg.
Hmm.
Okay. I'll use kg. And material group, you as of now, you keep selecting 00107 as the material group. That is miscellaneous.
In standard one.
As of now,
It is standard one.
not the standard one. As of now, you just keep using 00107 to avoid any errors.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
So these are the two fields which you fill in the basic data. That is the mandatory fields. Okay.
Okay.
Once you have done with this, press enter. So it will take you to the purchasing view. Okay. In the purchasing view, here you provide the purchasing group. You have created your purchasing group, right? What is
Yeah.
that purchasing group?
Group is AG1.
AG1, right? So here you find
Hmm.
your purchasing group AG1. Okay.
Hmm.
And then press enter.
Hmm.
And in this screen, here you will be selecting the valuation class 3000.
For all the time.
Yes. Select the
What is the reason for that?
valuation. That I'll explain you.
Okay.
I'm just showing you how to create. What each field is and how it affects, that we'll see tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay, valuation class should be 3000.
Hmm.
Price control, here you have two options. One is S and V. As of now, I'll use standard price and give the standard price, for example, maybe 100.
Okay.
Okay, and
Hmm.
then press enter. So one material is created, that is
Hmm.
60 is created. Okay. So is created. Okay. So this is how you create a material.
Hmm.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So now your next assignment will be like you create 2 or 3 materials.
Okay.
Okay. The same way
Hmm.
how I have done now.
Okay. And there is no navigation path for that.
No, no, you just need to use that transaction code MM01.
Okay. We have to create it. We have done that.
Yes.
So for the change, what we have to do? MM02.
Yeah, that's what I was about to explain you. Okay.
Okay.
Next, I want to change it.
Edit slash, ma'am.
Slash n. It goes to the previous screen, and
Okay.
then we will type mm02. Okay.
Okay.
So here you can select the view which you want to do the changes. Suppose I want to do changes in purchasing and accounting. Enter
Okay.
your plant. So maybe I want to change this, instead of kg, I want to use pieces.
Any pieces.
Okay.
Hmm.
Enter. And then if you want to do any changes here, then you can do. Okay. So now
Okay.
here, for example, if I click on price control and press F1,
Hmm.
I'll give the
Hmm.
explanation of what price controller is. Okay. So what you do is,
Okay.
once you have
Price.
created, sorry.
Hmm.
So once you have created your company code, plant, store locations, everything is done, then you create two materials.
Hmm.
Okay. So while you are creating two materials, I want you to click on the respective fields, press F1 and go through what each fields work as.
Okay.
Okay. So this is how you create a material, and in order to change it, you use
MM02.
MM02, and if you want to display it, MM03.
Yeah.
Okay. So now if you see here, earlier it was change material, now it became display material, right? So
Okay.
you can
Hmm.
select the views which you want to display and click OK. Provide the plant number and then
Hmm.
say OK. So if you click on this button, then you can directly
Hmm.
move to that respective view. Suppose I want to go to accounting,
Okay.
I can go to accounting. Okay, so this is
That
how.
material number we have to know, ma'am.
See, this is the auto-generated material number. Why is it
Okay.
getting auto-generated? All that I'll be explaining you in tomorrow's class.
Okay.
Okay. So
Hmm.
this is about creating a material, and we will do in detail with the material master, and maybe if time permits, then we'll start with the vendor master as well tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yes.
Okay.
Do you have any doubts?
Hmm. Mhm. No, no.
Okay. So you are clear with your assignment, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay then. So we will wind up for today, and then we'll start with tomorrow. But tomorrow before coming, you need to, complete that assignment.
Okay. Okay.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay then. Bye. Good night. I'll
Good
be
night, ma'am.
sharing that video shortly.
Yeah.
Okay. And today's video you have recorded, right? No need to share.
No. You have that recording also in your
Yeah,
desktop.
I had put on the recording,
Okay.
but do you want it to be sent?
I'll check it out, ma'am. If it's possible to get me only, then I will. There is no need to check.
Okay, fine. You just check and let me know, and
Yeah.
please do the